If I asked you how your vehicle performs, you'd probably think about how fast it goes or how well it handles. But an equally important performance standard is how well it stops. Why? Because braking performance is essential to your safety. The condition of your vehicle's brake system components, especially like brake pads, determine how quickly your vehicle stops. Excessive brake pad wear will not only reduce braking performance, it can lead to damage to the brake rotors, further reducing stopping power and contributing to increased repair costs.
Here are a few tips to help you know when the brake pads are worn. Do you hear a noise when you apply your brakes? Or feel a vibration or pulsation when you apply pressure to the brake pedal under normal braking? Does your vehicle pull to the left or to the right while stopping? Your Toyota service technician has been specifically trained and certified to quickly determine whether or not your brake pads need replacing.
This brake pad wear guide illustrates 3 key levels of brake pad wear. Green represents what new pads look like on your vehicle. As the pads wear down and reach the yellow zone, this indicates a thickness reading where the pads may need some attention. And once the brake pads wear down to the level shown in red, well, it's time to replace the pads. Replace them with genuine Toyota brake pads. Our pads are engineered specifically for your vehicle application, offering a more precise fit than aftermarket brands. They're made of the highest quality materials designed to deliver superior braking performance while actually helping to reduce rotor wear and maintenance expense. They offer a long service life, stand up to the highest braking demands, and are backed by our 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. And with Toyota brake pads, there's little or no break-in time required. Don't take chances. If you think your brake pads are worn, contact your local Toyota dealer or go online to schedule a thorough brake inspection.